Day trader Mike Shore, Prosper Trading Academy, is here for the final trade of the day.
Yeah.
Mike, before we get to that trade, what do you think about the overall market conditions this week?
I think earlier in the week, everybody was waiting for the president's speech. We saw volumes that were nearly, basically half of what they normally were. Not that there wasn't any fear. We saw that the VIX just continued to melt down. Just people were like, you know what, we're going to sit this one out until he comes out.
Do you think that the volume will pick up going forward here?
I think so. There's no reason to think that things don't just turn to normal, and we'll just move into the into the second quarter.
Let's take a look at your trade of the day, which is ADM,
Yeah.
Archer Daniels Midland. So what do you see happening here?
Yeah, so earlier in the week, ADM released earnings. They were not good. Their guidance wasn't good. There was a lot of scrambling on behalf of their chairman. And what happened, obviously it went down. What I'm looking for is that pullback into that 41.85, 41.90 area. That's going to be basically what I'm looking at, is people taking profits and then shorting it again. So I'm looking at the February 22nd, 40.41 put spread. If we get back up there, I'm going to be able to buy that for about 22, 23 cents, and that's going to give me nearly 3.5 to 1.
I love that you're paying attention to all what's going on behind the scenes in the stock. The shorting makes a difference, what the trends have been. You start to notice some patterns forming.
Yep, it's a classic pattern.
So you never know, though, things could change up at any minute. So good to put it on an options trade here?
Absolutely, and you have defined risk. I know that I can only lose the premium that I invest, so it's not like shorting a stock where if the stock shoots up to 100, guess what? I'm short from 41, so not great.
Right, so what is your reward to risk here?
If I get it for 23 cents, about 3.35 to 1.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.